Now I know why I hate disarmament.
What is that? Look at that thing.
The thing knew it was trapped, so it simply disconnected its arm. Ingenious. Look, any luck in finding a connection between the android and the scientific community?
Well, according to the National Institute of Technological Innovations, or NIFTY, there are over 100 labs involved in android research. Unfortunately, they don't have anything that works. Now, here's a list of what I thought most probable, sir.
Let's see that. All right. Okay, why don't you, just see what you... Hammer! Leave that thing alone. It's evidence.
I didn't.
Get away from it!
No,
Shut up! Okay. I'll tell you what, why don't you give NASA a try?
Oh, good thinking, sir. Yes, I'll get a hold of the government and cut through all the red tape. Who should I talk to over there?
Check out Foreman. He's a friend of mine.
All right. Now, I want you to look at a list of the scientists, too. Now, this is dating back, starting in 1950.
Hammer!
I'm having trouble, sir.
You're in trouble!
No.
Get away from that thing! I told you it's evidence! Stay away from it! Shut up!
So this is dating through 1952. It's a huge list. Maybe start in the 70s. I mean, they weren't really doing anything.
Doro, we've got to go back as far as we can. We give NASA a try.
A bunch of other names. I have this, but I don't know.
What the hell are you doing?
Well, this thing is just finding the clue we've been looking for all along, sir.
Androids are us. Better check it out.